friends, you should have your 3 tools out that you need. Your eraser, your pen, and your board. First word we're going to spell is puppy. Let's say it one more time. Puppy. Let's tap it. P-E. I know that the first sound is going to be P. Then we have When we have 2 syllables, we usually have a double letter. So our P, there's going to be 2 of them. And when we have 2 syllables, we know that our Y is going to say the E sound. Puppy. The twin P's make the same sound, so they get 1 box. All right, let's look at another one. Let's do fry. Let's tap it. I. If my Y says I, then I know that he only has 1 syllable. Let's write it. I. Remember, he makes the I sound, but we write the letter Y. All right, let's look at another one. Let's do the word silly. What's the word? Silly. Let's tap it. S-I-L-E. We know we're learning about the letter Y this week, so he says the E sound, so there's probably going to be a double letter. Let's tap it one more time. S-I-L-E. Let's write it. S-I-L-E. We know that our Y makes the E sound. And he's got twin letters, so I can divide it and sound out each piece and stick it back together. All right, let's look at another one. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can pause it and then catch up. All right, let's do sly. What's the word? Sly. Our Y is going to sound like the letter I. Ready? Let's tap it. S-L-I. Let's write it. S-L-I. Sly. All right, let's look at one more. Okay, the next word is buzzy. What's the word? Buzzy. Let's tap it. B-Z-E. We know our Y is going to make the E sound. Let's write it. Ready? B-Z-E. Buzzy. We know we can divide it because it's got 2 syllables. We read the first syllable, the second syllable, and we can squish it back together. One more. All right, the last word is my. What's the word? My. Let's tap it. I. We know that our Y this week can make the I sound if he has 1 syllable. So let's write it. I. My. Great job. All right, I want you to go get your packet out of your folder. And I want you to find our story for today. It is, the letter A is at the top. It's Can Billy Fly? All right, let's look at our words. My, cry, why, buy, fly, try, trying, sky, silly, sunny, Billy, Freddie, funny, happy, Dottie, isn't, don't, can't, rabbit, happen, contest, what, you, are, wants, to, a, the. Listen as I read the story. Meet my silly rabbit. Why is Billy silly? He wants to fly. Billy is trying to fly. Bump. That isn't funny. Billy, don't cry. Dottie Duck can fly by. Why can Dottie fly? Dottie is a duck. That is why she can fly. Still, Billy will try to fly. He wants to fly up in the sunny sky. What will happen? Freddie Fly is buzzing by. It is a shame you can't fly, Billy. But you are a rabbit. That is why you can't fly. This is not a contest, but you can be happy just the same. So our characters were Billy, Dottie, who else do we have? And Freddie. Billy is a rabbit, and he wants to do what? He wants to fly. Can rabbits fly? No. And then Dottie is a duck. Can ducks fly? Yes. And then Freddie is a fly. Can flies fly? Yes, it's in their name. So poor Billy. He wants to fly, but he can't. Tomorrow you'll have a chance to read this story by yourself. Now I want you to flip back to the beginning and find this page. It has our sight words to practice. So the first part says color the words. So you need what tool? Good, your crayons. Let's say the words. My turn, your turn. Ready? Stays, become, day, things, always, everything, nothing. The second part says trace the words. What tool do you need for that part? Good, you need your pencil. It says to trace over the words. So trace over all your sight words. Then you're going to write each word. Each word has a blank. And then at the end, pick one word to write a sentence. Remember, a sentence always starts with a capital letter, and it always ends, or most of the time ends, with a period. Make sure in between your words you leave a finger space so it's nice and neat. Okay? When you're done, you can flip it over, and you can practice reading your blending line. See you tomorrow.